It's a windy day at Irondale, Colorado, and we are along BNSF's Brush Subdivision. Now you might think it's the 1980s, but nope, it's the 2020s. 2022 to be exact. But we still see an old Burlington Northern locomotive pair kicking around, holding on strong to their classic green paint. Both BNSF 1652 and 1933 are SD40-2s, built in the late 1970s for the Burlington Northern Railroad. Back in the day, these units would go cross-country, carrying all sorts of freight across the BN and United States rail network. Nowadays, these units do more quaint switching duties around the Denver area and Powder River Division. An eastbound BNSF sand train flies by the duo, with much newer GE Evolution locomotives, still in their prime. Unfortunately, the BN duo got packed away, but there's still plenty of other trains to keep us entertained. The Hudson Turn makes its way to its namesake town from Denver. Following close behind the Hudson is an empty coal. This empty coal is one of many coal trains that take the Brush Subdivision that go up to Wyoming's Powder River Basin, a coal mining haven. That concludes today's video. If you enjoyed, please consider checking out the channel, and maybe even subscribing. Anyways, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!